Okay. Now, do you remember the possessive pronouns that we took last week? It's, your, and their. These pronouns are used when we are talking about things that somebody or we have, okay? Okay? Somebody or we have. For example, we use it's when we are talking about something that a cat or a dog or an animal, any animal, a place or a thing has, okay? Like for example, the color of the table, its color, okay? Or the fur of the cat, its fur, okay? Now, if you are talking to somebody, you use and you want to ask him about something that he has. For example, his name. What do you say? What is your name? Okay? And if you want to talk about something that a group of people or more than one person have, okay? What do you use? You use their, okay? For example, their class is colorful. Their class is colorful. Now, we want to know how to differentiate between its and your and their as possessive pronouns and its, which is a contraction of it is, and your, which is a contraction of you are, and their, which is a contraction of they are. Okay? Now listen to me. When you find the apostrophe, you will know that this word, for example, is actually a contraction of two words. Like, for example, it's is a contraction of what two words? It and is, right? Your is a contraction of what two words? You and are. There is a contraction of what two words? They and are. Okay? So these, the contractions, are not used when we are talking about something that somebody has. Okay? They are used when we are talking about somebody. Okay? Or a group of people. Like for example, they're good students. You're a smart boy. Okay, if you are talking to a boy, for example, it's a cute cat, or it's a nice dog, for example. Okay, so when you find the apostrophe, you remember that we are not talking about something that somebody has. No, instead we are talking about this somebody, himself or itself or herself. Okay. Okay, now let's see some examples. It is or it's named Rocky. Look at it's here. What did we do? First of all, it is a contraction of it is. Okay? We took the first word, it, then we put apostrophe after it. Then we asked ourselves, what is the last letter of is? It's S, right? So we put S after the apostrophe. It's named Rocky. We are talking about the dog, okay? We are not talking about something that the dog has. How did we know? Because there's an apostrophe, okay? If there's no apostrophe, then we are talking about something the dog has. Like here. Its fur is brown. It's, without an apostrophe, fur is brown. So when there's no apostrophe, we know that we are not talking about the dog itself. We are talking about something the dog has, the fur, okay? Its fur is brown. Now, let's see this example. You are, which has the contraction your. You're a smart boy. What is your name? Do you notice that your and your here has the same pronunciation? Okay, but how do we know which your means that we are talking about something that somebody has and which your means the same person? Let's see. When there's an apostrophe, we mean the same person, right? We don't mean something that somebody has. Like here, you are becomes your, okay? A smart boy. So this boy is talking to this boy and he's telling him that he is a smart boy, okay? What is your name? Here there's no apostrophe. So here, this boy means something that this boy has, the name. What is your name? He's asking him about his name, something that he has. Now, let's see there and there. This there is made from these two words. They are. They are or their best friends. Here, when there's an apostrophe, we said we are talking about the people themselves, okay? These two people. They are best friends, right? We are not talking about something that they have. We are telling something about them, giving information about them, okay? So, because there's an apostrophe, the information is about them, not about something they have. Now here, their friendship is strong. Here, there, without the apostrophe, means that we are talking about something these two boys have, the friendship, their friendship, okay? So here, friendship is something that they have. So there is this there is used when we are talking about something they have, okay? It's without an apostrophe. That's it. Thank you so much.